What's going on, guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks very much for joining me in today's video. What I'm going to be covering is a couple of things that I did a little bit differently in February, which led to my biggest month online, and how you can start implementing some of these things in your own marketing efforts. I'm just going to jump on my laptop and I'll catch you guys right after this. Hey, welcome back, guys, and thank you very much for joining me. If this is the first time on the channel, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. My name's Jamie. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, digital ad strategist. I'm a coach for a program with over 582 students at the time of recording, and getting some incredible results with their affiliate marketing businesses. We teach the fundamentals of sales marketing, offer creation, all that fun stuff. There's a link below this video if you'd like to check out the free case study, see if it is for you. There's also an option to have a chat with myself. No obligation, of course, but you're welcome to reach out and see if there's anything I can help with. Right, on that note, let's dive straight into it. So I see a lot of affiliates tend to be quite good at a couple of elements of affiliate marketing. Specifically for Facebook organic marketing, they seem to be quite good at producing content for the most part. They seem to be good at getting good engagement, but the last part of the equation, they seem to be not so great at. And I mean this as respectfully as I can. Hopefully at the end of this, you guys are going to have a better understanding as to what's involved and why this process works, and how you can actually quite literally do exactly what you're doing now. Just add this one little thing and you'll make a little bit more cash out of it, and at least get more traction in your affiliate marketing businesses. Right, let's jump into it. So this spreadsheet is basically part of a challenge that us at Super Affiliate Accelerator issued to our audience at the start of February. Said, hey, listen, we want to get you guys to become comfortable with the prospect of actually making offers to your audience. We're going to host a offer challenge. So what you're seeing here is the results of my offer challenge. Basically, what I decided to actually record how many offers I was making to my audience. So starting from the top, it works out to be, I think I've done the mathematics on this correctly, is 70, let's call it 71 offers. So over 71 offers for the 28 days in February. Now, an offer can be as simple as, hey, if you guys want to really ramp up your businesses in 2021 and beyond, and you're tired of spinning your wheels with affiliate marketing, all you need to do is go to jgcall.com, check out the free case study, and feel free to reach out to me if you'd really like to take your business to the next level. So that's an offer. I could also do it in another way, which is, hey, if you guys are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, check out the free case study in the link below in the description. That's another one. So that I would consider that an offer to my audience. In Facebook, which is where I spend most of my time, I was nearly about to break into Will Smith there. The playground is where I spent most of my days. No, that's not correct. On Facebook is where I spend most of my time. I've got a Facebook group and I do a lot of business off my profile as well. Having said that, I will often put a offer at the end of my Facebook posts, and it could be as simple as, hey, by the way, if you're interested in learning more about how I'm able to get these results, or more importantly, how my students are able to get these results, drop a comment below and I'll reach out to see if it's a good fit. So that's also another offer there as well. The other one is just a blatant pitch. Just literally jumping on camera or putting a piece of content out in my group, just saying, hey, this is what I've got. This is who it's for. Would you like to buy it? Here's the price. Drop a comment and I will send over the details. So it can be as simple as that. Anyway, moving along. Right, so I take the sales calls for the Super Affiliate Accelerator. I'm one of the coaches there, as I mentioned, and I'm also part of the sales team that does the sales for the program. So had a sales call, made a sale. Cool. I also had a story that I put out, and quite, I guess, an efficient way of getting people to raise their hands within your own audience is to use the poll feature on stories. They seem to work really well. Now, AMAC, these are the products. So Super Affiliate Accelerator. AMAC is, it's a course that I put together. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Attraction Code. It's $197. So happy to drop a link below if you're interested as well. But with that one, it really just teaches how to create content to get inside the minds of your ideal audience and allow you to sell anything with ease through your content, specifically for people that are looking at organic marketing. So made a sale of that. I did a very soft launch for that. Sometimes I offer a little little coaching offer. It's really just a huge discount on some of the digital products that I have, and I spend some time with people, hopefully helping them out with a few things. And this actually converts into my higher ticket coaching offers that I have as well. So I put that up, didn't make any sales. There's going to be a bit of a takeaway with this and a recurring theme you're going to notice as I go through this. So I'm not going to spend too much time here. You guys kind of get the idea. But I am going to summarize a few things towards the end there. So looking at that, I sent an email to my list. Didn't make anything off that specifically. I didn't make any sales off that particular call. A post in my group, I made post on my timeline, made 2 sales off that. Another one for SAA. So SAI is Super Affiliate Intensive. It's another product that we have as part of the SAA product suite. It's $100, and yeah, it's pretty damn good. It teaches the 4 key elements of affiliate marketing. Comes with an implementation call, which is also a part of our sales process as well. So I didn't make any sales off that. Had a group post where for my my AMAC, 3 sales. That's not too bad. So as you can see, a whole bunch of them where nothing much has happened. Made another sale here, no sales, no sales. 2 sales there, nothing, 2 sales, so on and so forth, right? So anyway, here's the thing. This is what I wanted to show you guys. So if we look down here, we've got 73. So minus these 2 things at the top there, we've got 71 offers put out over the course of February. And over here, we've got, no, sorry, this one, I should say. Well, that one, we got 30, so let's call it 32. Made 32 sales for the month of February based off 71 offers, which I believe should be about 44% if I'm not mistaken. Now, there's a reason why I'm showing you this. I know it's probably not the most enjoyable process, but what did I say, 30? I say 32, wasn't it? 32 div 71, right? Actually, no, I must have that wrong. Oh, other way around. 71 div 32. There we go. No, I was right the first time. 32 div 71. All right, that's looking a bit better. You would hardly believe that I used to work in finance, right? Anyway, so 45%. So I got a 45% strike rate. I was making sales on around about 45% of the posts and content that I was putting out there. Now, the reason why I wanted to highlight this here specifically is because I think what tends to happen for a lot of people is, number one, like I say, they tend to be really good at getting engagement. They tend to be not too bad at creating content for the most part. But then when it comes to making offers, they chicken out. And I completely get it, because it's disheartening when you put your heart and soul into creating an offer and you're like, hey, for the next 5 people, I'm going to do this thing, and there's going to be this masterclass or whatever it is, and no one jumps on it. I get that. It's really frustrating. But as you can see, like, there's all sorts of times here that I made absolutely no sales. And I'm not saying that these are good things. There's probably things I could take and improve upon, of course, but that's why I decided to track it. But the big takeaway for you guys is you're not going to make money on absolutely everything out there. There may be outliers, there may be exceptions to that rule once you have a huge audience, but clearly I don't have a huge audience. I think I've got maybe, the time of recording, I've got less than 2,000 subscribers here. In my Facebook group in particular, I've got about 3,000 people there. Not exactly what you call mammoth. And likewise on my timeline, about 3,000. But my engagement's not really huge compared to a lot of people. So that's the key takeaway for you guys is, I guess, number one is have a high ticket product. That's where the bulk of your income is going to come from. Have an offset product that pays you 50 to $100. That is also going to help in terms of the days when you're not making those high ticket sales. And have something else that can support these things as well. Like, what you'll find is when you start making these types of offers, you're actually increasing the ways that you can assist your audience. And if you think of it like that, the money will follow. I can assure you of that. So anyway, hopefully that helps you guys out. Like I say, just throw those offers out there and look at, from a holistic basis, look at the 3 things you need to be doing every single day. Number one is building your audience in whatever capacity that is for you. You want to be putting goodwill and equity into your audience in the form of content that actually helps them out, gives them mindset shifts, shows a little bit of your lifestyle, all that sort of stuff. Gets you to know, or gets them to know, like, and trust you. And last but not least, make offers. If they don't know that you've got something that's going to help them out, they won't buy it, right? So that's the huge thing. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Don't get discouraged if your offers fall on deaf ears. it happens to us all. Like I just showed you the stats there. Mine was just shy of 45%. So, sorry, just over 45%. So anyway, that's it for me today, folks. Thank you very much for joining me. Drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts below, and feel free to hit that subscribe button if you got value from this and you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing. I'm here pretty often and try to drop content as best as I can. Thanks very much, guys. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.